these are the ingredients that we will need to put together these candy pecans, which will be cooked in the oven. We got pecans, cinnamon, water, white sweetener, brown sweetener, and an egg white. Okay, to my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my egg white and some water. And then I'm going to mix these together until the egg white becomes frothy. Okay, this is the consistency that we need it to be, nice and frothy. And to it, we're going to add our pecan halves and make sure that they are all coated with this egg white, because this is going to help the sugars stick to these pecans, and also it's going to give these pecans a nice glossy finish. And that looks good. Okay, set this aside. And we are going to add our sweeteners to this bowl. I've got some white sweetener, got some brown sweetener, and some cinnamon. And I will mix these together until everything is well incorporated. And one thing you guys almost forgot, and that is just a dash of salt. The salt just brings out the flavor of your foods. Okay, make sure that that is well combined into the sugar mixture. Okay. All right, and into the pecans, and we're going to add our sweetener. Give these a mix. Look at that consistency. This is beautiful. Okay, now we are going to bring over our parchment-lined baking pan. Put these in and spread them out evenly. And the aroma, you guys, of the brown sweetener and the cinnamon, oh my gosh, these are going to be amazing. And I want to make sure that these are all in a single layer so that way they can bake evenly. Okay, everyone, these are ready for the oven, which has preheated to 250 degrees. These are going to bake for a total of about 40 minutes, and I am going to turn them every 10 minutes. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, these are hot out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool. And then you guys, these will be ready to eat, whether or not you use them as a snack, use them in one of your favorite desserts, or give them away as a gift. But whatever you do, just make it your own kind of special. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and please remember to give this video a like, share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. Thank you guys so very much, and remember to keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see all of you real soon on my next Fit 550.